Most people aren't broke because life is unfair. They're broke because no one ever taught them how money actually works. So today I'll show you a step-by-step blueprint you can copy. The same strategy rich people use to go from zero money to financially free, even if you're starting with nothing. Let's begin. Part 1, fix your money mindset. The first reason people stay broke isn't salary, it's their brain. Your thoughts decide what actions you take with money. Broke thinking sounds like, I can't afford it. Money is evil. I'll start later. Life is too expensive. Rich thinking sounds like, how do I afford it? Money is a tool. I create opportunities. Skills make money. Rich people don't wait for money. They build skills that attract it. Before anything else, fix this. Money grows when you grow. Part 2, build the high-value skill stack. If you want to get rich, you need skills that pay, not school skills, marketplace skills. Here are the 4 that change everything. Skill 1, communication. Talking, writing, selling. If you can sell, you'll never be broke. Skill 2, digital skills. Editing, thumbnails, coding basics, marketing. This makes you useful instantly. Skill 3, problem-solving companies and customers. Pay for one thing, solutions. Skill 4, money management. If you can't manage $100, you can't manage $10,000. Learn these 4 skills and your income will rise automatically. Part 3, escape the broke trap. Most people are stuck because they do this. They buy things to impress others. They live paycheck to paycheck. They have no emergency fund. They have 0 sources of extra income. They blame the economy. To escape, Rule 1, kill lifestyle inflation. When you make more, don't spend more. Rule 2, keep your money moving. If money sits, it dies. Rich people send dollars to make more dollars. Rule 3, track everything. Broke people guess, rich people count. Rule 4, invest in skills before luxuries. New iPhone? No. New skill? Yes. Part 4, build your first real income stream. To get rich, you need leverage. Leverage means you earn money without trading hours. Here are 4 simple paths. 1, content creation, YouTube, TikTok, Reels. The algorithm pushes good content. 2, freelancing, thumbnails, editing, scripts, design, sell skills online. 3, buy and resell, phones, tech, laptops. Buy low, sell higher. 4, start a micro brand. Digital products, PDFs, simple online services. Doesn't require big money. Pick one and focus for 90 days. Not 9 days. Part 5, the money machine formula. Once you start earning, here's the rich person formula. Step 1, 50% for growth. Courses, books, business tools, ads, improved gear. Step 2, 30% for saving plus investing. Emergency fund first, then index funds, bonds, ETFs, gold. Simple, long-term wealth. Step 3, 20% for you. Living, food, fun, small rewards. The rich system isn't about saving every dollar. It's about using money smartly. Part 6, how to actually build wealth. Here's why rich get richer. They invest early. They stay consistent. They reinvest profits. They avoid lifestyle traps. They think in decades. They build skills forever. Wealth is not luck. Wealth is the result of doing the right thing repeatedly for long enough. You don't need millions to start. You just need momentum. If you want more simple Stickman explanations like this, subscribe and comment what topic you want next.